Hi there, thank you for joining us. Today's video is all about Dollywood's 2026 Season Pass renewal period. Now, who is eligible right now to renew their Season Pass? If you have a 2025 Season Pass, you can renew right now to get incredible Passholder benefits, the cheapest prices of the season, and exclusive access to the Night Flight Expedition Early Ride event. This offer ends October 12th. And just to be clear, any information I share in today's video is subject to change after October 12th, and there are a few Diamond Pass holder perks that will end on October 12th that we will share later in this video. Let's dive in. Okay, first up are the standard Dollywood passes. The Dollywood Summer Fun Pass is $124.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. The benefits for this pass are unlimited visits to Dollywood from April 18th of 2026 to September 13th of 2026. The Dollywood Silver Season Pass is $159.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. Benefits for this pass include 3 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets, friends and family one-day ticket discounts, and up to 10% off of lodging, dining, and shopping. The Dollywood Gold Season Pass is $234.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. Benefits for this pass include 3 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets, 1 free 2026 Bring a Friend ticket, friends and family one-day ticket discounts, up to 15% off lodging, dining, and shopping, an all-season refill mug, discounts on premium park experiences, monthly digital offers, first-hour time saver access, and free general parking. And the last Dollywood Pass is a 2-park Diamond Season Pass. This pass is $354.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. The benefits for this pass include 3 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets for Dollywood, 2 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets for Dollywood Splash Country, 2 free 2026 Bring a Friend tickets for Dollywood, 2 free 2026 Bring a Friend tickets for Dollywood Splash Country, friends and family one-day ticket discounts for Dollywood and Splash Country. You will get up to 20% off lodging, dining, and shopping, limited edition Night Flight Expedition tumbler and sticker set, discounts on premium park experiences, monthly digital offers, first-hour time saver access, and free general parking. Now, just looking at all the passes for the general Dollywood Pass, it looks like the Gold and the Diamond Pass will definitely give you the most benefits. The things that stand out to me are the Dollywood Summer Pass really doesn't give you anything other than access to the park. You don't get the free parking, you don't get any Bring a Friend tickets or anything like that. The Silver Pass could be an option if you don't care about paying to park, or if someone in your family has a Gold or a Diamond Pass and you don't need the free parking, then this could be an option for you. I would recommend either the Gold Pass or the Diamond Pass. The Gold Pass is probably a good option if you are just going to Dollywood a few times a year, or if you don't really care about some of the other benefits like the tumbler, the 20% off versus 15% off. The Diamond Pass, you will get more Bring a Friend tickets and more discounted Bring a Friend tickets, but you still get a little bit of that with the Gold Pass. So really, I think what it all comes down to here is the Gold and the Diamond Pass seem to be the way to go. Of course, those are the more expensive passes, so you just have to weigh all that, but that is a review of the general Dollywood passes. Next up are the two-park Dollywood passes. We will start with the Summer Fun Pass. This will cost $179.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. The benefits include unlimited visits to Dollywood from April 18th, 2026 to September 13th, 2026. You will also get unlimited visits to Dollywood Splash Country from May 16th, 2026 to September 20th, 2026. The two-park Silver Season Pass is $214.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. Benefits include 3 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets for Dollywood, 2 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets for Dollywood Splash Country. You will get friends and family one-day ticket discounts for Dollywood and Splash Country and up to 10% off lodging, dining, and shopping. Next is the two-park Gold Season Pass. This is $289.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. And the benefits include 3 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets for Dollywood, 2 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets to Dollywood Splash Country, 1 free 2026 Bring a Friend ticket for Dollywood, 1 free 2026 Bring a Friend ticket for Dollywood Splash Country, friends and family one-day ticket discounts for Dollywood and Splash Country, up to 15% off of lodging, dining, and shopping, all-season refill mug, discounts on premium park experiences. You will get monthly digital offers, first hour time saver access, and free general parking. And last is the two-park Diamond Season Pass. This again is $354.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. And I won't go through the benefits here because this is identical to the standard Dollywood Pass, the Diamond Season Pass. That is the only one that they offer. So as far as which of the two-park passes to choose, I think it's kind of like the standard Dollywood passes. I think factoring in the parking, that's a big discount. That's $25 every time you visit Dollywood. So if you're planning to go, 4 times in a year, that's $100 right there. So you look at the silver, in this case for $214.99 versus the gold for $289.99. Just factoring in the parking, you've already made up the difference between the silver and the gold. So kind of like I said previously, I think you probably start at the gold. And if you don't care about those extra perks that the Diamond Pass will give you, the Gold Pass could be a good choice. Next up are the two-park passes plus the water park dining plan. The passes available are the two-park Summer Fun Pass, the two-park Silver Season Pass, the two-park Gold Season Pass, and the two-park Diamond Season Pass. Pricing for the Summer Fun Pass is $244.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. The Silver Season Pass is $279.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. The two-park Gold Season Pass is $354.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. And the two-park Diamond Season Pass is $419.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. Now, as far as the benefits go, you'll notice there is no difference between anything listed here and what was listed previously, except the addition of the 1 meal and 1 snack during each visit to Dollywood Splash Country. You get that with each of these 4 passes. That's why the additional cost is there for these passes. So once again, for the two-park passes plus the water park dining, all the benefits stay the same that you'll get with the regular passes, except you get the additional meal and snack during each visit to Dollywood Splash Country. And rounding out the season pass options are the Dollywood Splash Country passes. The Summer Splash Pass is $94.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. Benefits for this pass include visits to Splash Country all season long, one free 2026 Bring a Friend ticket for Dollywood Splash Country, as well as 2 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets for Dollywood Splash Country. The Summer Splash Pass plus water park dining is $159.99 plus tax with child and senior pricing available. Benefits include visits to Dollywood Splash Country all season long, one free 2026 Bring a Friend ticket for Dollywood Splash Country, 2 discounted 2026 Bring a Friend tickets for Dollywood's Splash Country, and 1 meal and 1 snack during each visit to Dollywood Splash Country. Now, here's my thoughts on this. If you want the snack and the meal while you're at Splash Country each time that you go, and you don't care anything at all about going to the Dollywood theme park, then I think the Splash Pass plus the water park dining, basically for $160, is a really good deal. If you're going to go, I would say, if you're going to go 4 times, then I think this makes sense. If you tend to eat before and after you visit the theme park, then I don't think that you would need to spend the extra $65 or so, and the Summer Splash Pass for $94.99 would be just fine. A little more information for you. Double the parks, double the fun with a 2-park season pass. 2-park season passes give you flexible access to both Dollywood and Dollywood Splash Country all season long. From thrilling rides and award-winning shows at Dollywood to relaxing pools and thrilling water slides at Splash Country, it's the best way to soak up family fun and adventure all year. Also, military discounts are available. U.S. active or retired military veterans, military reservists, spouses, and dependents who are current pass holders can renew their passes at a special discounted rate with online verification using ID.me. Valid military personnel IDs and dependent IDs are required to verify. Something great returning for the 2026 season is the free Pre-K Imagination Season Pass. If you have pre-K children born in 2021 or 2022, they are now eligible to register for a free 2026 Pre-K Imagination Season Pass. Here is a chart that breaks down all of the benefits across all 4 Dollywood Season Passes. Now, a few things to note here. The free cinnamon bread voucher, the opportunity to do the early ride event for Night Flight Expedition, as well as the Diamond Tumbler, to the best of my knowledge, is only going to be available now through October 12th. So if you do not renew your pass before then, again, to the best of my knowledge, I don't believe that you will receive those benefits if you purchase after October 12th. And here is a chart that shows all of the benefits of the Dollywood Splash Country passes. You will notice there are, in addition to your Bring a Friend tickets and your shopping discounts, there are things like the Time Saver H2O discount, which is basically the same thing as the Time Saver over at Dollywood Theme Park, except this, of course, is for the water rides. You also get discounts off of things like retreat discounts, canopy discounts. You also get general parking benefits. That is free, of course, if you have a gold and a diamond pass. You can also reserve seating at the Ranger Station. That's included with the Diamond Season Pass. So that is a comparison of the Dollywood Splash Country passes. And as a Dollywood pass holder, you can also get discounts for staying at Dollywood's resorts. You can see you can get up to 30% off. You can get up to 10% off of dining and shopping discounts. And then once again, there is a list of the full prices, One thing that I didn't mention, you do have the option of paying for your season passes by breaking it up into monthly payments. All of the pricing I showed was the full amount, but just know that that option is there if you would like to do it that way as well. So thank you all for watching our video. I hope you all have a blessed day. I have been blessed to bring this video to you. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video.